Hitem3D, a powerful 3D model generator. It's 1.5 version just released and it turns your ideas into detailed, ready-to-use 3D assets for your workflow. Let's hop in. So first go on Hitem3D the AI. Here we have an overview about the tool. If you scroll down a bit, you see the highlights of Hitem3D. It has high resolution, full form geometry and much more. If you look at the interface here, we have two features, image to 3D and multi-view to 3D. On the image to 3D, we have the new 1.5 model with even better quality and speed. There's a new 512 resolution, fast, low credit, perfect for drafts or lower precision 3D printing. The new Pro model, best detail performance, highest accuracy on the market. And there's also the head mode, best for realistic portraits, faces and characters which look lifelike than ever before. And you can enable textures. Let's test it with a reference photo. I upload a sports car image, choose the Pro 1536 mode and hit generate. And here is the result. Clean geometry, sharp edges, even tyro details or from a single picture. For quick concepts I switched to the 512 mode. It's cheaper and faster, great for brainstorming or prototyping. And here is the same car in 512 with textures enabled. Not as detailed, but still impressive for how fast and cost effective it is. It supports FBX, STL download, seamless integration with Blender, Unity and much more. And here is a comparison 2025, left the base image, Hitem3D has just the best result. Mesh AI has some problems here, Tripo is pretty good, but Hitem3D just outstanding here. Now we try the other feature, the multi-view to 3D. So we have an elephant from the front and we can add images optional from the back, left and right. We just upload one from the back. Let's hit generate. And here is our finished elephant. It looks fantastic from the front and also from the back. Very, very detailed and very nice. To the pricing of Hitem3D, you have already on the free plan, like all features which are available. You have also the commercial usage here, which is great. On the paid subscriptions, you have even more credits. You have 10 tasks queue and a better queue priority. And on the higher plans, you have much more credits. Great. As usual, if you liked it, try it. See you in the next one. Very detailed and very